Hello guys, welcome to today's presentation on web technology and applications. The presentation topic is creation of tables using HTML, presented by Karthiki Kulkarni from CSE 6B. The contents are Introduction to HTML table, HTML table basics, row and column spanning, HTML table styling. HTML tables. A table in HTML is created using the table element. Tables can be used to display many type of contents like calendars, financial data, lists, etc. Any type of data, images, text, links, and other tables. HTML table basics. An HTML table contains any number of rows. The rows are represented using TR tags. Each row contains any number of table data cells. The table data cells are represented using TD tags. Content goes inside the TD tags. Here is a basic example format of table. Here, the TR represents the row and the TD represents the table data cells. Here is the content of the table. Here is a basic example for table creation in HTML. This is the HTML code used to create a table. Here, we can define the table. The TR represents the table row. Here, TH represents the table heading. The title, artist, and year are in the table heading. Here, the table TR represents the table row. Here, the table row contains table data cells. These data cells contain the movie name, artist name, and the year of release. Here is the output obtained from this HTML code. Here, TH represents the table heading, TD represents the table data cells, and TD are in the table rows. HTML row spanning and column spanning. Each row must have same number of table data cells or table heading containers. If you want a given cell to cover several columns or rows, we use column span or row span attributes. To make a cell span over multiple rows, we use the row span attribute. To make a cell span over multiple columns, we use the colspan attribute. The value of the colspan attribute represents the number of columns to merge. Styling of tables. There is certainly no limit to style a table. A table can be styled using CSS properties, but here we are going to use HTML attributes to style the table. Table borders, width and height for setting the width and height of cells. Cell spacing for adding space between every cell in a table. Cell padding for adding space between the content of the cell and its border. Background color for changing the background color of any element of the table. Here is an example code for the HTML table borders usage. Here we use table padding, border colors, and border collapse options. Here also we use the row span and column span techniques to merge two or more tables, rows and columns. Boxes and zebras. There are different ways one can style a table. Let us here discuss two of them here. The first one of these is a box format, in which we simply apply background colors and borders in various ways. This is the example of box format. Next, we have zebras. Zebras can add special styling to the table row element to highlight a row when a row hovers over a cell with pseudo class hover. This is the pseudo class hover element, and pseudo element nth child is used to alternate the format of every second row. This is the specific example for that.